A critical moment in a battle for the skies. This is Europe's bid to dominate the next generation of aircraft. Half metal, half carbon, a brand new design in its very first test. Delight and relief in Toulouse. And also at Filton near Bristol. Thousands of jobs depend on this project.
A lot of work, arduous hours, but you know, it's worthwhile when you see something like this today take place, and yeah, fantastic.
So surreal. A lot of people have put a lot of time, energy into this aircraft, so to finally see it fly, it was something really special.
The key selling point is fuel consumption. The distinctively curved wingtips reduce friction as the plane pushes through the air. And the engines, made by Rolls-Royce, are billed as the world's most efficient. Designed and built in Derby. Like every new engine, this one is all about squeezing as much power out of every last drop of fuel. So these are the largest fan blades ever made of titanium. They're incredibly light. The clearance between the edge of the blade and the casing here has never been so narrow. All about maximizing efficiency. And inside the engine itself, the temperature reaches half that of the surface of the sun. Hot enough to melt many components, which have to be kept cool by a specially designed flow of air. This is all about increasing the power and reducing the amount of fuel used. The engines will run at greater pressure than ever before, so to handle this, the turbine blades are made from a special alloy, and each one is created from a single crystal.
We pull around about 18,000 individual components together to make one jet engine, and then that jet engine is capable of, it takes in 1.3 tonnes of air every single second, so that would empty a squash court in a second.
A test for heavy rain. Each generation of engines is slightly more efficient than the last, but there may be physical limits to what current designs can deliver.
You can do the 1-2% per year average, which is, you know, what Rolls-Royce is getting. So when you see over a number of years, you get 20%, these type of improvements. But even that, it's a real challenge.
So some very radical ideas are on the cards to try to make aviation genuinely greener, but they're decades away. Today, with its distinctive wings, the new Airbus was back from its test flight. New designs are always challenging. Boeing learnt that to its cost. Airbus has a lot of work ahead. David Schuckman, BBC News.